In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move items to groups with automations in Monday.com. This tutorial will guide you through the steps necessary to set up automations that move your items based on changes within a status column. Let's dive in and streamline your workflow on Monday.com. First things first, you'll want to ensure that you've set up your main group along with two additional groups, which we'll call Group A and Group B. These groups will serve as the destinations for your items once they're triggered to move. The beauty of Monday.com is in its ability to automate these tasks, saving you time and increasing your productivity. To get started with automations, we need to designate a trigger. A trigger can be many things within Monday.com, but for the purpose of today's demonstration, we're going to use a status column change as our trigger. This means that whenever you change the status of an item, it will automatically move to a designated group. Next, you'll want to add an automation. Look to the top right of your screen and click on Automate. This will open up the automation window where all the magic happens. Once inside, go ahead and click on Create Automation. This will lead you to a setup page labeled When This Happens, where you'll see a drop-down with various trigger examples. For our setup, choose Status Changes to Something as your trigger. This will allow the item to move based on a change to our specified status. After setting the trigger, let's define the action it should take. We'll select Move Item to Group as the automated action. But before we proceed, we need to specify which columns this automation will affect. Go ahead and press on Status and select the appropriate status column name from your board. This ensures that the automation will listen to status changes specifically within that column. Now it's time to decide what something should look like. When you click on Something, a menu will pop up allowing you to set it to Group A, or whichever status you prefer for your group criteria. Moving forward, let's finalize the action by selecting which group the item should move to. Click on the word Group within the action sentence and choose the group you want the item to be transferred to, in this case, Group A. Once you've configured everything correctly, simply click on Create Automation to finalize your setup. It's important to remember to duplicate this automation to accommodate any additional group movements, such as for Group B or any other group triggers you need. Just replicate the process we've done here, adjusting the status and group selections accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an automation on Monday.com that automatically moves items to designated groups based on status changes. This simple but powerful automation can greatly enhance your productivity by eliminating manual movement of tasks.